Do you need a good reason to give your bedrooms and baths a summer makeover? Well, how about 50% off on everything for your home? Then, how about a 60% discount on all clearance items? WestPoint Home, Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, is celebrating their summer warehouse sale, June 19th through July 20th, and the prices have got to be seen to be believed. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with brand names including Izod, Southern Tide, Modern Living, Martex, and more. From luxurious absorbent towels to silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and quality accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. And June 19th through July 20th, get 50% off on our already low prices and 60% off on all clearance items. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Summer Warehouse Sale, June 19th through July 20th. Now open 7 days a week on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the summertime savings begin.